AI factories are emerging as pivotal entities in the realm of artificial intelligence, driving innovation and efficiency across industries. These specialized facilities are designed to streamline the development, deployment, and scaling of AI technologies, enabling organizations to harness the power of machine learning and data analytics more effectively. By centralizing resources and expertise, AI factories facilitate rapid prototyping and testing, allowing businesses to iterate on their AI models swiftly and bring solutions to market faster. One of the key roles of AI factories is to democratize access to advanced AI capabilities. By providing a platform where companies can build and refine AI applications without needing to invest heavily in infrastructure or specialized talent, AI factories lower the barriers to entry for smaller firms and startups. This accessibility fosters a more competitive landscape, where innovative ideas can flourish and disrupt traditional business models. Additionally, AI factories often serve as collaborative hubs, bringing together researchers, developers, and industry experts to share knowledge and drive collective progress in AI technology. Furthermore, AI factories play a crucial role in ensuring the ethical and responsible use of AI. With centralized oversight and standardized processes, these facilities can implement robust governance frameworks that monitor and regulate AI development. This includes addressing concerns related to data privacy, algorithmic bias, and transparency. By embedding ethical considerations into the fabric of AI creation, AI factories help build trust in AI systems and ensure that they contribute positively to society. In essence, AI factories represent a transformative approach to AI development, offering a structured environment that accelerates innovation while promoting accessibility and ethical standards. As these factories continue to evolve, they are poised to become integral components of the global AI ecosystem, fostering collaboration and driving technological advancements that benefit businesses and consumers alike.